Bacteria love warmth, moisture, and time. And when food is stored or prepared at the wrong temperature, they grow fast. That's how contamination turns into illness. The danger zone is where bacteria multiply most, between 8 and 63 degrees Celsius. That's why food must be stored cold, heated properly, and never left out too long. Just a few hours in the danger zone can turn safe food into a serious risk. Temperature control isn't a guideline. It's a food safety rule. If you're not checking temps, you're not controlling the risk. And if you're not controlling risk, you're creating it. Next, we'll bring all these practices together and look at your role in applying them daily.